If you've ever struggled to figure out whether to use tabs or collapsible sections in Confluence, this video will help you confidently pick the right tool for your content every time. By the end of this tutorial, you're going to know the pros and cons of both approaches, real examples of when to use each, and how each one impacts the way your readers move through your wiki pages, so let's dive straight in. First, let's frame the big decision. Tabs and collapsible sections, also called the expand macro in Confluence, are both ways to break up your information. But they're suited for different situations based mainly on how the pieces of your content relate and how you want your readers to move between them. Here's a quick head-to-head comparison so you can visualize the differences. Imagine your content as a set of boxes. Tabs let you divide that content into categories like you're lining up separate folders. Readers click on each tab to see what's inside, and only one tab's contents show at a time, just like opening one folder at a time on a desk. Collapsible sections, on the other hand, are like stackable files where you can open several at once or just scan the headlines. With collapsible sections, users read in a more linear, top-to-bottom way, peeking into each section as they go. Now, tabs are perfect when your content is divided into big topics that aren't directly dependent on each other. Think about something like product details, one tab for specifications, another for pricing, and a third for customer reviews. These are categories your readers might want to check in any order or only the one that interests them. Tabs especially shine if your users need to compare things quickly, like switching between the features of two product versions or reviewing different case studies side by side. There's no need for them to scroll through a long page. Everything's neatly bundled and just a click away. Something to keep in mind, in Confluence Cloud, tabs aren't a built-in feature. Using tabs usually means installing an app from the Atlassian marketplace, so you'll want to check your team's permissions before committing. Also, for page design, horizontal tabs work great for a few main sections, say 3 to 5. This layout uses the full width of your page and keeps the UI simple. But if you have a longer list of options or groups that don't really relate, vertical tabs might help keep things organized without overwhelming readers. So when should you go for the expand macro, the native collapsible section? Collapsible sections are a fantastic way to keep your pages clean and scannable, but still offer those juicy details to readers who want them. These are great if your content flows in a sequence, like a step-by-step guide or an instructional article, where most people will read from top to bottom but might occasionally want to dive deeper into a technical how-to or read a side note. If you've seen FAQs with answers hidden until you click, that's exactly what this is for. Not everyone needs all the details, so only those who want more info will open the section. And if you view Confluence on your phone, you'll definitely appreciate how collapsible sections condense big blocks of text. Mobile users can scroll quickly and only tap to expand what's relevant, so the page never feels overwhelming. To sum it up, use tabs when your viewers need to flip between separate categories or compare options quickly. Go for collapsible sections when you want to keep things tidy, offer bonus details, or provide optional information along a linear journey. And if you're ever unsure, ask yourself, do my readers really need to see all this info at once, or can I help them focus by letting them choose what's important to them? Hopefully, this clears up the mystery. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got questions about using Confluence macros or want a deeper dive into page design, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.